This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Scroll to in Figma. Select a frame, enable vertical or horizontal overflow and set it to scroll. Create a target layer inside that frame and name it clearly. In prototype mode, draw a connection to the frame and choose interaction. On-click, then action. Scroll to, picking the name target. Test in present to verify smooth scrolling behavior and timing. Begin by designing a frame that has content extending beyond its visible bounds, so scrolling makes sense. Set the frame size, then choose overflow behavior, vertical, horizontal, or both based on the content flow. Avoid auto-resizing the frame when you expect a fixed viewport. Use layout grids or rulers to align content inside the scroll area. This setup ensures scroll to focuses the viewport correctly. To create reliable anchors, select the layer you want the viewport to jump to and give it a clear name. Position that layer precisely where you want users to land, and group multiple elements if they form the target area. In prototype mode, connect the trigger to the frame and choose that named layer as the scroll to destination. Test different offsets and easing options to make the motion feel natural and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.